Hi, this is Dr. Johnny Trong. I'm sitting next to my patient. She's going to share with you her experience, and she's this is her second visit, right, or third visit? Third visit, and she's going to share with you what improvements she's already experienced after one or two adjustments. So go ahead.
I'm 32 years old, and basically I can remember from a very young age always complaining about a kink in my neck. It's gotten increasingly worse through the years. I've had a couple of pregnancies that seemed like every time my body kind of took a really hard toll. Everyday headaches. I don't know what life is like most days without a headache. I started getting lots of really bad jaw pain, trouble with my ear, trouble with my left eye, weakness in my arm, constantly dropping things, clumsiness, just lots of different things going on. But it's my third visit today with the doctor here, and I feel like my life has, in just a week, turned a tipping point. I wake up every day and I have energy. I don't have dizziness. I don't have a headache. I feel like it has opened a whole new door in my life that I wondered what 10 years would be like from, what my life would be like in 10 years with this problem that was going on, and I wasn't getting any solutions, and now I feel like 10 years from now looks like it has a lot more hope.
Awesome. And you were telling me about how this affects your mood as well, right? Mm-hmm. So tell us a little more about that.
I work from home. I homeschool my kids. I constantly just have a lot of things going on, and with the headaches and the pain, I constantly was on edge, irritable. I felt like my stress levels were extremely high. Just not myself. Some days I would get kind of in a low place just because of my pain levels. I couldn't escape from my pain, basically, and it made things hard. And I feel like every day has been a little bit brighter. It's even my vision. I mean, I when I look out into the light and that, like, I'm not having floaters in my eye. My vision is improved. It's really crazy how fast things have turned.
Right. Mm-hmm. And tell us more about your dizziness as well. I think you had mentioned that as well earlier.
When I would put on my shoes or anytime just bending over for any reason just to pick something up, and I would sit back up, I would have really bad equilibrium, really bad vertigo. I'm not having any of that anymore whatsoever. I can bend over quickly, sit back up, and keep on going, and I feel really great.
Wow. So so you said you've had the headaches for about 10 years or so?
Basically, as long as I really can remember in my adult life.
What's that been like for you to have headaches for that long? And
it's like kind of like a dark cloud on your day every day. Yeah. Kind of dark clouds sitting on your shoulder, on your head, and hard to get through the day and have an enjoyable day when you're constantly dealing with something like that. So right. It's been really great.
Yeah. So not having these headaches, what is this going to make available for you now?
I just feel like every day I'm even getting more done already. Just in the last week, my productivity in my daily life is more. My outlook is better. I'm just accomplishing more in my daily life and having better connections with the people closest to me, like my family. Just
wonderful. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. And just not having the dizziness, that must be really scary to be dizzy all the time. Would you agree?
Yeah, especially at my age too. I just felt like I was dealing with a whole lot of issues, and I would tell people my age and all the stuff I was dealing with, and I felt like some people were almost kind of doubtful. Mm-hmm. So yeah, it was really discouraging considering my age and how much more life I had ahead of me, and this isn't how I wanted to live. I want to be active mentally, physically, emotionally, all those areas.
Right. So what have you tried so far up to this point before you found our office?
I've seen other chiropractors who cranked and pulled and did lots of different things that did absolutely nothing. They couldn't get my neck to adjust. I've seen an orthopedic surgeon who wanted to do a 3-level fusion surgery. Wow. I've seen a neurologist, lots of doctors.
Wow.
Lots of scans, lots of MRIs. So it's been ongoing for a long time.
Were the tests positive or negative? Did they find anything on the tests?
They found lots of issues. Yeah, spinal stenosis, sure. And first time I think a scan came back that I had pretty severe arthritis in my neck. I was 25.
I see.
So yeah, it's lots of issues going on in there.
Right. And now you use the word hope, so you see there's hope, at least at the end of the tunnel there. So
I started to feel like there wasn't a solution. I really didn't want to do surgery at this stage of life, but I didn't know that there was another solution, so I was getting desperate. Yeah. In all honesty, yeah. But now I don't feel like I feel instant relief.
Awesome.
It's amazing.
Yeah. Thank you for sharing. Anything else you'd like to add?
No, I don't think so.
Awesome. Thank you so much for sharing, and I hope this message gets out to those who are having similar health challenges as yours, to really discover upper cervical chiropractic, and to really to find a solution rather than putting a Band-Aid over their health challenge, and taking more drugs, or even potential, like you mentioned, some of your doctors recommended surgery.
Mm-hmm.
So we can avoid unnecessary drugs and unnecessary surgery. That would be wonderful. That'll be something that would save people's lives.
Absolutely.
So, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.